Alright, I'm not sure if you can see my face. I'm a really dark guy. Anyways, what we are doing is we are putting a little snap ring thing on right there on my 15G turbo for my VR4. And it's very troublesome. It almost hit us in the face. And yeah, I found out it's more than a one-man job. If you could do a one-man, you're pretty badass. Hurricane Havoc over there, my best friend, yes, he always wear that mask. He's pretty badass. He'll be operating the fingers that will hold it and snap it into place while I squeeze up these things. It's my fiance, Sarah, and she will be the cameraman. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, come on, let's do this. Oh, also, I messed up my thumb pretty bad because I was trying to hold it down and it pinched right here. And he messed his up because he was trying to hold it down and it pinched right there. That's that little blood whistle. So, if anybody has this out here, Kraft's tartar sauce, no advertising. Yeah, I know, right? I use this to put on top of here and saves my fingers. You know, just in case the ring snaps and it just clamps down. It's not on my fingers, on the tartar sauce. Alright, let's do this. You also want to make sure it's lined up on the prong that's in there. That's step one. This is step two. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, something's going wrong here. It keeps snapping off. I mean, you know our roll's here. This roll is supposed to get in there. Alright, can you pause it, babe?
Great.
Alright, this is like 5 minutes later. We kept messing it up, so. Try it again.
Take two.
Oh, damn it! Oh, fuck! I'm done. Come on, man. One more time, man.
Hell no.
Come on, man.
Oh, use the bitch.
It's just a finger. And that, you also gotta watch that because the snap ring, if it slips out of here, it'll fly anywhere. And if your finger's in the way, it's like a bee sting.
I can't see my fucking thumb.
Alright, let's try this again one more time. I should make a joke. How many black people does it take?
Don't
Alright,
encourage them.
I know that's bad, America. It's just funny. You know it's funny. It's in there. It's in there. We got it.
Hot dang.
Obviously, two black people. No, I'm joking. Alright. And that's how you do it. That's what I did today. Alright, cut that off. I gotta take